Hi guys, good morning to one and all. This is G Pencil. I am studying third BTech in Ashankara Institution of Technology. Today, my tech presentation in the subject is web technologies. Topic is creating and using the forms in HTML. And creating and using forms means the HTML forms are used to send the user information to the server and it returns the result back to the browser. For example, if you want to get the details of versions to your website and send them good thoughts, they can collect the user information by means of from processing. Then the information can be validated either at the client side or the server side. The final result is sent to the client through the and respective web browsers. To create a HTML form from tag should be used, and attributes of forms tags are and name or id, actions and methods, and enc type and encryption type, and no validate. First, what are the attribute, what are the description we can intimate. First of all, name or id, it specifies the name of the form and used to identify individual forms. Action, it specifies the location to which the form data has to be sent and when the form is submitted. Method, it specifies the HTTP method. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol method that is to be used when the form is submitted. The possible values are get and post. Get method is used for the form data is visible to the user and user to and URL. Default HTTP method is get, that means hypertext to transfer protocol using the get method. Next to encryption type, it specifies the encryption type of the form data when the form is submitted. And non-volatile, in non-validate, it implies the server not to verify form data when the form is submitted. Creating a simple HTML forms while and while the form is submitted, no event handling means is done. Event handling refers to a process done while the form is. However, JavaScript provide only the client-side validation. Hence, we can use PHP for from processing. And code type of creating a simple HTML means and Angler bracket inside of doc type HTML and head, and title is simple form processing. After that, it is a closing header file, and start the body of the intent from id is equal to form 1 method 1. It is a first and first name, and be represented as the break the loop, and last name and addresses, email address. When we can display the entire code output is it creating a form only. And from validation is done ensure the has provide the and relevant information. Basic validation can be done using HTML element and is set, and this function is used to determine whether the variable or from control is having the value or not. And $get, it is used to retrieve the information from the control through the parameter sent, and in the URL it takes the attribute given in the URL as the parameter. And first, it is used to retrieve the information from the control through HTTP post method, and it take a name and attributes and corresponding from the control as the parameter. As request, it is used to retrieve the information while using the databases. Here database is nothing but is a collection of information in the form of retrieve and update and and retrieving of the information from the table is called a databases. Thank you friends, I am giving opportunity is a brief explanation about the forms. Thank you, I am giving opportunity. Thank you.